Here are more animals with the coolest world records. The mallard duck holds the record for the flight in the highest altitude out of all birds. One duck was caught in flight alongside a plane at an altitude of 21,000 feet over the Himalayas. Number 2. The Mexican free-tailed bat holds the record for the longest migration of any mammal. These bats migrate up to 1,600 miles from the northern U.S. to central Mexico. Lastly, the elephant holds the title of the best memory, being capable of remembering and recognizing individual elephants and humans over long periods.